the number one question I feel like most people would have, so we're after the second trial, she's been acquitted of these charges. Can she be retried ever again for criminal? For
Possible,
this criminal?
but not probable.
Okay.
The answer to your question is absolutely yes. Can she be charged again criminally? You didn't say for what.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
For this particular crime, for
specific.
the murder of John O'Keefe.
Yes, there you go, Shawn. Go ahead.
No, obviously everybody's heard about double jeopardy. We've talked about it before. Double jeopardy precludes you from being tried twice for the same crime by the same sovereign. So
that's key.
The Commonwealth could never retry her again for the murder or manslaughter or whatever they wanted to call it of John O'Keefe. The only option really would be, if she was ever to be retried criminally, would be some type of a federal murder type charge. And I can tell you, in my experience, the federal government likes their cases to be wrapped up with a bow on them, with no defenses and evidence that is...
So you're saying there ain't even enough evidence in this that the federal would be like, nah, y'all.
Absolutely not.
Well, I say, I mean, we've talked about it on the show before, Shawn, but we've had cases or people come in that have said, you know, they just had a question. They didn't have a case yet, and they got pulled over and they had drugs in the car, and the police officer let them go. And me and Shawn, I mean, that's a telltale sign. An attorney knows that's because the federal government is about to destroy you. Oh, yeah. That's what that means. They're not going to do it that day.
Local law enforcement either let you go because they're hoping that you're going to work and provide information to them.
Yeah.
And then they're going to not prosecute you. If you don't, they're just going to take out the warrants and you get picked up sometime later.
Sure.
Or it's a bigger picture type issue, like Reed is alluding to, and they've just got the information and they're going to present it to a federal grand jury, and you're going to get a call from a United States Marshal saying that you've got court this day and you need to turn yourself in that morning.